the bad weather has found us, and the seas and wind are bigger and stronger than had been initially forecast, and at present I'm experiencing winds of a steady 60 knots out of the northwest and a swell of about 7 to 8 meters. One would say the seas are described as rough to very rough. Obviously, due to the nature of the seas and the wind, I've had to reduce speed quite considerably, and at present time I'm making around about 4 to 5 knots over the ground, and we are gradually making headway, but also we are being set sidewards as well. So the passage towards the shallow water, the safety of the or calmness, I would say, of the fjords is going to take a little longer than originally been planned. The wind should gradually back round towards the west, which will be then better for us as we can then alter course closer to where we want to go. But as a precaution, all of the open decks have been closed off, and when moving around the ship, please do exercise the utmost of caution, and wherever handholds are available, use them. One hand for yourself and one hand for the ship is the old adage. Unfortunately, there are the occasional lurches and the occasional bangs as we hit a wave out of sync, or an odd wave that comes in at a different angle. There's not much, unfortunately, we can do about it. We're trying to make the passage and the motion as smooth as possible, taking into account the elements. I'll give you please rest assured I'll give you an update as to our progress and the weather conditions as the day progresses. Thank you.
Muito buen día, muy buenos días. Disculpe la interrupción en su privacidad. El capitán acaba de decir que si encontramos la tempestad que ya estaba veniendo, o mejor decir, la tempestad encontró a nosotros y está un poco más fuerte lo esperado. Los vientos son de 60 nudos, poco más fuerte que, como dice, que esperado, y tuvimos que reducir la velocidad del barco, reducir la velocidad del navío para 4 a 5 nudos. Al mismo tiempo estamos intentando ir al frente, pero con los vientos estamos llevando también para los lados. Los vientos están vindo desde el oeste. Por esta velocidad y por los vientos un poco más fuertes, vamos a tardar un poquito más que esperado para entrar en aguas más calmas o aguas más calmadas. Y esto, así que mientras caminan, en cuanto caminan, no navío, en el barco, por favor, como dicen los marineros, una mano para el barco y otra mano para nosotros. Así que asegúrense y caminen calmamente sin problema ninguno. Mientras estamos yendo, vamos a mantenerlos informados de nuestro progreso. Buenos días, gracias.